All right, I'm Aaron, and with Tanner, we're working on a moored ocean buoy. This buoy is going to collect scientific data and data we're going to use for wave forecasting for surfing. Our buoy, so these are some of the components we have. These are some of our electronics here. We're collecting a lot of data on our buoy. Most buoys that are deployed by NOAA only collect wave height, maybe wind data, temperature. We're collecting substantially more data. We're doing wave data through an accelerometer, collecting wind direction and wind speeds, water temperature, air temperature, salinity, pH, some other data too, like humidity. And so there's like two main pillars of why we're doing this work. One is the scientific data, like the pH, we can use to observe how the oceans are warming and look at ocean acidification, which is a growing problem for humanity. And then with the wind data measurements and the wave measurements, we can predict surf. Right now, because there's only about 8 buoys off the coast of San Diego, we have to use math and models to try to predict how swell is going to get weaker as it moves to different places. But because we're going to put this buoy off the coast of Ocean Beach, where there's not a buoy right now, we'll have more accurate data as to wave heights and periods. So right now on the buoy, we're working on integrating all the electronics together and then the design. Tanner's really spearheaded the design of the buoy. He used Illustrator to design it, and we found different models online of different buoys, and we kind of altered them for our needs. One of the struggles we've had is finding the correct PVC sizes. Because we're using such big PVC as buoyancy, it's been hard to find that PVC. Another struggle we're having is with the mathematics. We met with a researcher at Scripps the other day who's doing similar work, except they're collecting data on surfboards, and he was talking about the struggles they're having with the math, taking 3-axis accelerometer data and turning it into wave height measurements. And we're having similar problems. So we're working with a couple other students as well as some teachers to figure that out. And that's our project.